Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a heart puppet. So let's start to draw a heart puppet. Yay, like that. At first we will draw the heart shape. Heart shape. Then we will make some straight line on the heart. Then we will draw small circle between those lines. Yeah, like that. Between those lines. Yeah. Always remember drawing and painting slowly. Otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Step by step, follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Yes, now it's finished. Now we are take a thick marker for border the heart. Yeah, like that. Now let's learn the color's name. Purple color, orange color, yellow color, dark green color, dark pink color, green color, sky blue color. At first we are using this sky blue color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.